Alright. Alright. So, I've just seen things. Basically, the reason I'm making this is that there's a very popular ultrakill content creator, Linguini, who just dissed the jackhammer. This is the best weapon in the game. I mean, it really is awesome. Of course, I still keep the other two shotgun types, but I mean, it's good because look at this. Specifically the over puppet. The over puppet. Look at that. That's so much damage. Like, it's just so fun to use. That's another thing. It's not even just a weapon that's effective. It's literally fun to play with. I mean, it truly is magnificent. Look at that. You can almost one-shot a Cerberus, the Gutterman. Also, you can do this, apparently, if I may. Just... There's a little trick I saw once. It's sort of never convenient to use, but it's possible. Okay. So you can even launch rockets, not even just a core eject. So if you do it correctly, I'm gonna try again. You can launch the rockets you're riding on. It's just so cool to use. It's like straight up like movie. The thing is, you can one-shot a Maurice just by... First of all, you need Knuckle Blaster. Then... Look at that. You just have to punch right after using it. It's just that easy. It's just that fun to use. Wait, like... You know what I'm gonna do? Alright. Just the whole weapon as a concept is not only cool, but like, even just using it. It's just so fun. You can implement it into so many things. It's just such a useful weapon to use when it's ready. Like, its only downside is a kind of long cooldown. And, well, first of all, look. Its freshness bar, if you just look right there, it just goes down so fast. I agree. This is an incredible weapon. I mean... You know, it made so well done. You're gonna do a lot of crap. Obviously, that would never actually happen in the game, but you can do it. It's just fun to use. People like the shotgun because it can kill big things fast, but this can kill big things faster. Especially when you do the overpump pump. It just does so much more damage. In fact, you can even do this. Oh, come on!